race number 4. Away they go for the 2014 Hopeful Stakes race. Love Na Love shows alertness at the start, then rushing upon the outside is a Hello Patrick. And going along for the first turn, now we've got Love Na Love being hassled by Hello Patrick in second. And running in third comes Hidden Moment. Next in line is the favorite Malaya, then followed over by Up and Away with 24 on the opening quarter. 4 lengths further back, racing in 6 comes number 5, and that is Castle Cat. Alongside we have Hermosa Street, then followed over by Jazz again, and Merings comes next, then followed over by Heart of a Bull. Wild Talk is fourth last, then comes Lucky Leonor, one whipping around the outside. Now is the Lady Wings, and Whoa Whoa Duck is racing in 14th with 23 on the second quarter. Past the last 600. Now we've got Love Na Love by about a length and a half. Then here comes a challenge now from the favorite, and that is Malaya. Just again now rushing up to take third. 23 and a half on the third quarter as they race for the unrushing horsepower. Love Na Love and Malaya are now matching strides together. Malaya takes the lead over Love Na Love, who's fighting back. Then Jazz again is racing on the outside. Malaya by about 2 lengths now. And finally at the payoff wire, the Hopeful Stakes race belongs to Malaya. Close for second between Love Na Love and Wild Talk. Then comes Jazz again and Castle Cat.
Kakatapos lang ng ating Hopeful Stakes race. At ang nagtagumpay, yung numero 14 na Yamadong Malaya. Ang ganda ng pagkadala ni JB Hernandez. Striking distance lang. At nanood lang siya ng boxing sa unahan. Ang magandang tinakbo yung Love Na Love. No? Sa aming mga pinili naman,
partners dyan sa ating broadcast group. At muli po, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, bayang karerista. At inyo pong nasaksihan yung ating kapanapanabik na 2014 Hopeful Stakes Race. Of course, sponsored by the Philippine Racing Commission. At kompleto yung ating mga opisyales ng PhilRacom. At syempre, ang naging winner natin dyan, walang iba kundi yung nalyamado po na entry number 14 na si Malaya. Pagmamayari ng Mandaluyong Mayor Benhar Avalos, kinukondisyon ni Mang Ruben Tupas at nirendahan naman ni Jackie Jonathan Basco Hernandez. Bago po tayo tumungo doon sa pagbibigay ng ating mga tropeyo at papremyo, muna nais kong pakilala sa inyo yung ating pong mga officials ng Philippine Racing Commission. Of course, headed by Honorable Chairman, ang napakabuting Honorable Chairman ng PhilRacom, Angel Lopez Castaño Jr. Good afternoon, sir. Of course, with him, syempre, si Honorable Jess Cantos, Commissioner Jess Cantos, also Executive Director the Third. At kasama rin natin, of course, ang iba pang commissioners. Andyan si Honorable Commissioner Eduardo Boss Eddie Jose. Si, of course, Honorable Commissioner Reynaldo Eyo Fernando. Siyempre, kabilang din si Honorable Commissioner Tito Victor Tantoco. Of course, siyempre from the host club, ang Metro Manila Turf Club, we have our Senior Vice President and Racing Manager Rudy Prado. Kasama rin ang ating Assistant Racing Manager na si Art Escala. At yung ating dalawang muse, walang iba kundi si Lara and Lani. So, kompleto na. At onwards now para po sa ating awarding presentation ng ating trophies. Una, tawagin natin. Incidentally, wala po ang may-ari ng Kabayong Malaya. Busy si Mayor Benhar doon sa ating Mandaluyong City. Instead, kasama natin ang tatanggap ng tropeo on behalf of Mayor Benhar Avalos Jr., ang kanya pong isa pang trainer na si Mr. Claudio Jojo Angeles. Okay? Malaya is by Sky Mesa out of Dream Bride, an island born po. At itong kabayong ito, talagang medyo palagay ko mamaya masasabi na ni Mang Ruben na pwede nang isali sa second leg ng Triple Crown. Napakabuti ng kanyang naging preba, 1.37 para sa Milya. Handang-handa na palagay ko para sa ating second leg ng Triple Crown. At ngayon naman, tatawagin ko naman ang naghanda, nagkondisyon sa kabayong Malaya. Walang iba, top trainer, si Mr. Ruben. Walang kupas, tupas. Talaga naman, pag ganito mga magagandang karera at malalaking karera, si Mang Ruben, hindi natin mawawaglit yan at lagi nating nakikita yan sa ating stage para tumanggap ng kanyang tropeyo. Nadagdagan na naman yung iyong koleksyon ng tropeyo. Trainer Ruben Tupas. Okay. At ganun din ang aking susunod na tatawagin. Madadagdagan din ang kanyang koleksyon ng kanyang mga tropeyo. Walang iba kundi ang isa sa pinakamagaling na hinete sa ating bansa, Class A rider, Jackie Jonathan Basco Hernandez. At hindi pa po tayo nagtatapos dyan dahil kagaya po ng ipinangako ng ating Philracom, meron po tayong breeder's purse na 30,000 sa nanalong breeder ng kabayong Malaya. At ang tatanggap naman po ng breeder's purse na 30,000 plus trophy ay walang iba kundi si Richard Tupas, ang anak ni trainer Ruben Tupas. Alright? Iyan, kompletong-kompleto po ang koneksyon ng kabayong Malaya. Ang may-ari, si Mayor Benhar Avalos Jr. being represented here by trainer Jojo Angeles. Of course, winning trainer natin, si Mang Ruben Tupas. Winning jockey, Jonathan Hernandez. At ang ating breeder, of course, I believe, Mang Ruben, si Mayor Benhar din ang breeder nito, di ba? Okay, so walop ni Mayor Benhar itong ating Hopeful Stakes Race. Alright, at bukas po, iniimbitahan kayo, syempre pa, yung ating first leg ng ating Triple Crown, bukas gaganapin dito po sa Metro Manila Turf Club. Do stay with us, Bayang Karerista, more racing action to come.